Hello, we're going to take a look at the manual maintenance procedure which you will need to perform on your devices. We recommend that you should carry out these short cleaning steps at least once a week in order to keep your equipment in the best condition. First of all, a little reminder that all of this information is outlined in detail in your machine's manual, which if you haven't done so already, we recommend reading through. Your printer is a precision, high-performance device, and the more you look after it, the more it will look after you. Let's start by taking a look at the recommended equipment that you will need in order to carry out a manual clean. Also, please ensure that you have adequate safety wear. Before we start the manual maintenance procedure, you will need to remove any media from the machine. Then navigate within the menu panel into the cleaning menu and the manual cleaning option. The menu screen will then direct you through taking off any of the covers. You have 30 minutes in which to complete your clean. Dip a cleaning swab into the cleaning solution and clean the print head surrounds. Here we are looking to clean any excess ink from the print head frame and the black plastic head surround. Please note that we do not actually clean the surface of the print head. A torch or a light can help identify any loose hairs or fluff that may have attached to the print head. Use the cleaning swabs or tweezers to carefully remove these if necessary. Although the menu panel does not state to do so, at this point we remove the right hand side cover as well. When cleaning the wipers, clean all around the wiper blades to remove any ink. You may need to gently rub at the surface of the wiper if the ink has accumulated and dried there. Take this chance to check the condition of the wiper. If the wiper looks old and worn, it may need replacing. The cap top creates an airtight seal on the underside of the print head when it is not in use. You will need to clean around the gasket to ensure that the seal is clean and working properly. Clean the plastic surround and rubber seal. There shouldn't be any need to clean the inside of the cap top. This part will have ink showing as it runs any waste ink into the waste ink bottle. If there is any damage to the cap top, it may need replacing. When finished, press enter on the menu panel and allow the print head to return to the right hand side of the machine. Be sure to clean the maintenance compartment as well. This would normally involve wiping the surfaces to get rid of any built up dust or fluff. Replace the covers. Should you need to replace a wiper or a felt, navigate to the Replace, Wiper and Felt menus. Unhook the two small tabs at the bottom of the wiper using a set of tweezers and replace with a new one. Hooking the tabs back into place as shown here. The procedure is the same for both felt and wiper replacement. If you see ink on any of the other surfaces, you can use the cleaning solutions and swabs to wipe it away.